The word feedback seems to mean so many different things these days. Some people think it can mean to give a piece of news. Some think it means an opportunity to let off steam. Some see it as a euphemism for giving orders. But perhaps the original idea behind the word was to provide someone with a decision point. A decision prompted by a reality check from outside themselves. So what information does that reality check need to include to prompt someone to stop and think? As it happens, it's two things: a feeling and a behaviour. We have come to understand that feelings are the result of chemical signals we send ourselves when we notice something good or bad is going on around us. It has been said that a feeling is a first best quick guess. In effect, feelings are a primitive way of making decisions to keep ourselves safe. These are the very same quick reactions that once kept us out of harm's way when we lived in caves and lunched on raw mammoth intestines between bouts of being chased by savage tigers with very long teeth. Fast forward a few millennia. Feelings still count. A lot. Despite the fact that successive civilizations have tried to suggest that thoughts are more important than feelings. This is all a bit silly, of course, because, as you now know, feelings are a kind of thought. So, if we want to give someone feedback that they will pay attention to, we simply need to tell them how we are feeling and what it is about, and then stay quiet for a few moments to let them think about it. All they need to do is to decide if our feelings are important enough to them, and then what they are prepared to do about it. So, feedback that includes a feeling tends to get through rather well because feelings run at the core of our existence and have for much longer than all the ridiculous social habits we've built up around not talking about them. So, this feedback business turns out to be rather straightforward. Just say how you feel, what it's about, and then stay quiet whilst they decide what to do about it.